Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have, and the question is the higher the CTR, the better? I'm testing out my search ad right now, and they provided me three art groups CTR. The first is 6.38%, and the second is 0.81%, and third is 0.5152%. So for your short answer, yes, higher the CTR, it's better. Unless and until it's a fraud click or fraud people, your competitors clicking on your ad. If that is not the situation, then high the CTR is definitely a very good situation where you can have lower cost, higher quality score, and it can also improve your campaign conversions. And this can also tell you that people actually want to see your ad for that specific query, and that matches their interest with what they have searched that keyword on. So that can also tell you that why the higher CTR is better. Now the question is, the first ad group definitely has a higher and a good CTR. 6.38% is a good CTR. But if you ask me the second and third one, where 0.81 or 0.5 CTR is considered, no, that is not a good CTR. You need to optimize your campaign, and the best way of optimizing your campaign is to have a highly relevant ad with a highly relevant keyword with a highly relevant landing page. Customized landing page with a customized ad with a customized keyword combination can do wonders and reduce your cost by ample of times for your campaign. Just by having high CTR, you can increase your quality score, which can help you in reducing your cost and improving your conversions and sales. So I hope it answers your question. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. And in case if you need me or company services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us and work with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.